welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the studio tour here at Universal. I hope you enjoy it. And next up, we're going to go do the studio tour. So exciting. Wow.
To your right hand side, filling in every available seat. If you have any small children with you today whose feet don't quite hit the floor, please put them toward the center of the rows. And March 15th, 1915, by this guy in the bow tie, a German immigrant by the name of Carl Laemmle. Look at him. That is the face of a man whose dream just came true. Face I've never been able to make, but Carl Laemmle did, because his dream was to establish an entire city dedicated to making movies. And that's exactly what he did. We are Universal City. So being a city, you gotta have our own fire station. Fire station 51 on your right hand side. That is real. Firefighters work around the clock to ensure our safety out here on the line. Smile at each other. The only thing we don't have is residents. No one actually lives in Universal City, but some of Hollywood's big.
Mario Movie Mookie coming up in April.
With all the Ariana Grande and Jeff Goldblum as the wizard.
The Seal Ball.
Bungalow 5195 was Alfred Hitchcock's bungalow for the last 20 years of his career, making movies like Psycho.
Snowman. It's the King Kong Tunnel.
Like the Yellow Deuce Coupe from American Graffiti, directed by George Lucas, starring Harrison Ford and Ron Howard. Tom Selleck's Ferrari from Magnum PI. Pop the hood, it's really a Volkswagen engine under there. Biff's convertible from Back to the Future. The futuristic flying cars from Back to the Future Part 2. We were supposed to have those in 2015. And hoverboards, I don't know where we went wrong. Back to the Past with the Flintstones. Another flying car, the Ford Anglia from Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. That's one of 17 and a half they made for that movie. Paul Walker's Nissan Skyline from Too Fast, Too Furious, directed by John Singleton. The Gyrosphere from Jurassic World. Fry's Van, Jordan Peele's Nope, next to the Crawdaddy from Jordan Peele's Us. And this tank right at the end here from Transformers is made mostly out of plywood and PVC pipe, just painted to look metallic. These are making them a beautiful yet deadly addition here at Jurassic Park, and the cages are empty. That's not great. I'm sure they're fine. They probably got out, ran far away. Anyway, on your left is the mobile lab from the Lost World Jurassic Park, and straight ahead you'll see some rustling in the bushes. Oh no. Oh, clever girls. Look at that, they're moving in herds. They do move in herds. And if you guys thought that was bad, wait till you see what the Spinosaurus is about to do. In 3, 2, 1. Nothing. I know, could you imagine it'd be like a fire hose in his mouth? That was the tone they're going for. Whether it be suspense like in Jurassic Park, or maybe to add drama to a scene like when Tim Robbins escapes prison in Shawshank Redemption, it's pouring rain. Maybe to add romance to a scene. Ryan Gosling and Rachel McAdams kiss in The Notebook, and it's pouring rain. You have to ask yourself, where's it raining harder, on screen or my eyes? But here in Southern California, we don't get a ton of rain. Obviously the past few weeks have been the exception, but even when we do get actual rain, we can't just wait around for it to happen. We need to control it. So creating a storm is actually super easy, barely an inconvenience. The thunder is coming from speakers that are hidden out here in the sets, and the lightning is strobe lights. And now all we need is a little rain. This rain effect is created using a very advanced piece of technology here in Hollywood. It's called sprinklers, and that's it. It's that simple. The problem with rain is it has a hard time showing up on camera. That flash flood effect is created using 10,000 gallons of those with Steve Martin, Martin Short, and Chevy Chase, Nacho Libre with Jack Black. They were Tortuga in the first Pirates of the Caribbean World, Shameless, Arrested Development, and Star Trek Picard. But now we're going to head into 6 Points, our Western sets, some of the oldest sets here on the lot and in all of Hollywood. They were built around the same time the studio was, around 1914. But just because they're old doesn't mean they aren't still used. You might recognize this entire street, more specifically the saloon with the long porch on your left, from Quentin Tarantino's Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, starring Leonardo DiCaprio, Brad Pitt, and Margot Robbie. A huge chunk of that movie, about 40 minutes of it, happened right here on this street when Leonardo DiCaprio was working on the set of the Lancer pilot. Now we are going to be here for just a moment. I'm going to put on an attraction, but because of the filming, it's in a quiet zone. So today, we're going back to the early days of Hollywood, and Jaws is going to be a silent movie. It's still really cool, still really exciting. You just don't get to hear my corny jokes along with it. So we're going to make our way up this road right up to the beaches of Amity Island, where they were attacked by a man-eating shark, but have since caught it, I've been told. In fact, you can see the billboard welcoming it.
Active filming at Jaws today. Look at this.
The Smith's Piano Cars from Oh Brother Where Art Thou with George Clooney. There's Dominic Toretto's Dodge Charger from the Fast and Furious movies. That police car is from Public Enemies with Johnny Depp. The yellow Camaro is Bumblebee from Transformers. The orange Julius and the purple car from Too Fast, Too Furious. The Plymouth Roadrunner in the middle from Alfred Hitchcock's thriller Psycho. There are 12 cabins, and from the looks of it, 12 vacancies. And oh hey, there's Norman Bates now. He runs this place. Really great. You'll always find a chocolate on your pillow, many shampoo bottles in the shower. The shower woman is very sleepy to the trunk. That is very creepy. I don't like the way that looks. We should probably get out of here, right? Before he sees us. Oh no. Hey Norm, we're just passing through. We're all good, man. Oh, that's a big knife. But moving on from one of Hollywood's most iconic to perhaps one of the most impressive practical sets ever built here on the lot, it is the airplane crash site set from Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds, starring Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning. And that is a real 747 production purchase from an airplane graveyard at the Mojave Desert for $60,000. Tore it up, brought it all the way here. The process just to get it here cost about $250,000. But here's Steven Spielberg and production designer Ritter. They filmed out here for about 1 week, and it's in the final movie for about 4 minutes. Worth it though, very impactful moment of the movie. Actual Jupiter's claim sets from his newest film, Nope. I'm talking about Academy Award-winning writer and director Jordan Peele.
Movie magic only happened with child star Ricky Jude Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. No? Why? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience.
This vehicle out. TJ, that was a lot of information to just throw at us like that, man. So we're gonna hide out at the bottom, Warner Brothers just across the street, and then behind them is ABC and Walt Disney Studios.
Alright, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!